Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? We are live here in Araneta Coliseum to watch PBA live. Naka-courtside ticket din tayo. So during the warm-ups, ito yung both teams. Here's San Miguel Beermen. Ito yung sinusupport nating team right now. And ayan si Marshall. Let him play in Gilas, guys. Let him play. So ayan, start na ng first quarter. Dala-dala ni Chris Ross yung bola. Pointing out, setting up the play. So very basic play ang nangyayari right now. Junmar in the post, trying to create something. Pass back to Chris Ross. Ayun na si Marshall. Bang! So very simple by Marshall Lassiter. So another play. Ito naman, kabilang team yung may hawak ng bola. Doing their plays right now. Running around. So pinasa. And ayan, trying to find someone to take the ball. Ayan, position is play, trying to create some space. Napakagandang tira naman nun. So another play is right here. So CJ may hawak ng bola. CJ launches a 3. Bang! CJ Perez. And here's another SMB play right here. Chris Ross dribbling the ball, waiting for his teammate. A spot 3 for Junmar. He checked. Boinks. So sabla yung tira ni Junmar. But that sums up the first quarter. So dance performance muna tayo from the PBA girls. So ayan yung kanilang performance. Now here's the second quarter. So ayan, dribbling the ball for SMB. Junmar in the post, tried his shot. Sweet jumper. So that's for the Kraken. So San Miguel have the ball again. CJ have the ball. Dribbling. Explodes. Pretty layup by CJ Perez. Napakagandang layup talaga nun. And scorer talaga tong taong to. So anyway, another possession by San Miguel. Junmar to Terence. Terence with a pretty silky move by Terence Romeo. So napakaganda agad ng laban na to. So here's Terence, the point guard, the golden boy. Pass it. So trying to create something here. Back to Terence. Another pass. Napakagandang pasa naman sa ilalim noon for Vic Manuel. So napakaangas na performance. Halftime tayo. So may kantahan na nagaganap. So kanta ka lang dyan, kuya. Kaya mo yan. So napakaganda ng laban. So dako na tayo sa third quarter. So here's the third quarter. Pass it again. Another pass. So trying to create something. So Junmar with the post move. Pretty layup by the Kraken. Nice. Next play right here. Chris Ross with the ball again. Pass it to CJ. CJ 3. Pagkabang! Napaka-shooter na tao talaga na itong MVP na to. Well, another performance here from the PBA girls for a short break. So sayo-sayo muna sila dyan and watching muna tayo while waiting. And ayan, as you can see, lamang pa rin ang San Miguel. So ayan, nag-start na ulit yung game. Junmar in the post. Post move. Pass it. Hot potato. Hot potato. Oy, drive. Nice drive. Sablay, kanya ulit. Nice move by Trolliano. So ayan, another SMB play right here. Chris Ross, the point guard, of course. CJ pass it. Side 3. Bingo. Napakagandang tira naman talaga nun. So lamang pa rin yung San Miguel. 56-70. So ayan, umaatake pa rin sila. Tuloy-tuloy yung pag-score. So dire-diretso lang tayo sa game. Pretty much that's all for the game. And as you can see, Terence still doing his moves. And nanalo dito yung San Miguel. See you guys later.